The Telangana Assembly will hold meetings on the 13th and 14th of this month. The legislature will begin at 11:30 a.m. on the 13th. The legislature will begin at 11 a.m. on the 14th. These meetings are likely to pass legislative bills to introduce in the Assembly. The Assembly is being convened as some of the amendments to the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation Acts have been made into law, as well as some other aspects prescribed by the High Court. The legislature and council convened on the 16th of last month, but it did not protrude. In this context, it is possible for the Speaker and the Council Chairman to issue notifications on the meeting and conduct the meetings without the need of approval of the Governor.